Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce at home for pizza. Start by melting 2 tablespoons butter over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons flour until bubbly, then slowly pour 1 cup warm milk while whisking constantly to avoid lumps. Simmer gently until the sauce coats the back of a spoon. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg, and remove from heat before adding cheese or herbs for your pizza. Measure simple ingredients for reliable results. 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons flour, and 1 cup milk makes a medium-thick sauce. Use whole milk for richness or mix half milk and half cream for extra creaminess. Add 1/4 cup grated Parmesan for flavor and adjust salt and pepper to taste. This ratio scales easily. Double ingredients for a larger batch before topping a family-sized pizza. Store leftovers chilled for up to 3 days. Quick ad: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help us make more recipes. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make meal prep and sauce storage a breeze, no spills on pizza nights, and easy stacking in the fridge. Check the description for the link and extra deals if you want to grab a set. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Whisk continuously when adding milk to prevent lumps and to create a silky texture. Cook sauce over medium-low heat so it thickens slowly without burning the milk solids. If lumps form, strain the sauce or blend briefly with an immersion blender for smoothness. Finish with fresh herbs or a splash of lemon for brightness, but avoid adding acidic ingredients while the sauce is high heat to prevent curdling. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.